Imagine a Tesla electric car priced so low it seems like a joke. But it's not. Elon Musk has promised something that could turn the market upside down. The Tesla Model 2, with a shocking price of just $10,050. Yes, you heard right. In a world where electric vehicles are synonymous with advanced technology and high prices, the idea of a Tesla at this price sounds like a dream. But for Musk, it's a real goal, and he's not one to make empty promises. If this price is maintained, the Model 2 could become the most affordable electric vehicle in history, a true revolution that could put millions of people behind the wheel of an electric car. Now, of course, the first question that comes to mind is, how is it possible to offer a Tesla for this price? We're not talking about a basic car with no features. Musk guaranteed that the Model 2 will be a complete vehicle, maintaining the same quality standard for which Tesla is known. Elegant design, advanced technology, cutting-edge safety, and, of course, performance that makes anyone smile when accelerating. But the secret behind this price is far beyond what is seen on the surface. It's a combination of strategy, innovation, and, of course, the boldness that has always marked Tesla. But don't be fooled into thinking that this will be a lower quality model. Tesla has no history of making cheap cars, in the sense of sacrificing performance or safety. The Model 2 promises to be as robust and safe as any other model from the brand, just more affordable. The difference lies in the intelligent engineering, the choice of materials, and, most importantly, how the car will be produced. Elon Musk doesn't just want to sell a cheap car. He wants to revolutionize the way cars are manufactured and sold. And this revolution goes far beyond price. The impact of this model will be global. Countries where electric vehicles are still a luxury could see the Model 2 as a gateway to cleaner mobility. For many people, it will be their first chance to drive an electric car, to feel the smooth silence of an electric engine, and to realize that you don't have to pay a fortune to have cutting-edge technology. Musk knows this, and that's why he's betting so heavily on the success of this model. For the Tesla Model 2 to become a reality at this unbelievable price, Elon Musk has a bold strategy: mass production on a scale never seen before. And when Elon Musk talks about mass production, he's not kidding. The plan is to manufacture no less than 50 million units of the Model 2, a number that exceeds the production of all other Tesla models combined. It's as if he wanted to turn the Model 2 into a car as common as the smartphone in your pocket. But how is this possible? How do you produce so many cars efficiently and at the same time keep the price so low? The answer lies in industrial innovation. Tesla is going big on the 50,000-ton Gigapress, a colossal casting machine that promises to revolutionize car manufacturing. For those unfamiliar, a Gigapress is a machine that literally molds large parts of the car from a single block of metal. No more dozens of small parts that need to be assembled. Instead, the Model 2 will be built from large, cast structures, which not only speeds up production, but also dramatically reduces costs. Imagine this. A single Gigapress can produce up to 10 car bodies at once, in a matter of seconds. It's like a toy factory, but on an industrial scale. And what's even more impressive is that Elon Musk plans to use not just one, but several of these machines in his factories around the world. The result? Cars rolling off the production line at a speed never before seen in the automotive industry. While other automakers are still assembling their vehicles piece by piece, Tesla will literally be printing entire cars. But it's not just the speed that's impressive. It's simplicity. By using this mass casting technology, the Model 2 will have a simplified structure with many fewer parts than traditional models. Fewer parts mean fewer points of failure, less assembly time, and of course, less costs. It is a minimalist approach that goes beyond design, directly influencing production efficiency. And that's the key to making the Model 2 affordable. Of course, All of this will only be possible because Tesla is not a traditional company. It is a technology giant that applies automation and artificial intelligence concepts to every step of the process. And with the 50,000-ton Gigapress, the next step is to turn these ideas into reality. With every passing second, more and more Model 2s will be produced. And with such a large volume, Tesla can reduce the cost of each unit, ensuring that the $10,050 price tag is actually achievable. The secret behind this mass production of the Tesla Model 2 lies in a technology that sounds like something out of a science fiction movie: the 50,000-ton Gigapress. A machine so powerful that it redefines the concept of car manufacturing. To give you an idea, this is the largest casting machine ever built in the world. A true metal beast that can mold the structure of a car in a single process. Imagine this. While other automakers are still assembling their vehicles piece by piece, Tesla will literally be printing entire cars in seconds. And we're not talking about just any part, but the main structure of the vehicle. Typically, manufacturing a car involves hundreds of components that need to be joined, welded, and assembled. But with Gigapress, Tesla will transform this complexity into absolute simplicity. Each Model 2 will leave the production line with a monolithic, solid, and resistant structure, guaranteeing unparalleled safety and durability. This isn't just an innovation, it's a revolution. Now, you might be wondering, how can a single machine do all this? The answer lies in a combination of brute force and extreme precision. The Gigapress uses molten metal, heated to absurd temperatures, which is then injected into a giant mold. In a matter of seconds, the metal cools and solidifies, forming the structure of the car. There is no need for complicated welding or piece-by-piece assembly. It is a straightforward and efficient process, capable of producing up to 10 car structures at the same time. And it is exactly this speed that turns Gigapress into a secret weapon for the Tesla Model 2. While other automakers need minutes, sometimes hours, to assemble a complete body, Tesla does it in seconds. And with multiple Gigapresses working at the same time, mass production becomes not just a possibility, but certainty. With every second that passes, more and more Model 2s roll off the production line. But it's not just the speed that's impressive, it's also the precision. Every structure that comes out of Gigapress is identical to the last, guaranteeing a level of quality that is almost impossible to achieve with traditional methods. There is no room for errors, misaligned parts, or assembly failures. Everything is perfectly standardized, and this is not just an advantage for production. It is a guarantee of safety and quality for buyers. Now, think about the possibilities. With the 50,000-ton Gigapress, Tesla can not only produce more cars in less time, but also drastically reduce manufacturing costs. Fewer parts, less labor, less time spent. All of this translates into a lower price for the consumer. And that's exactly what makes the Model 2 so affordable. It's not magic, it's cutting-edge engineering. But for this revolution to truly happen, Tesla needs more than just a powerful machine. It needs a global infrastructure capable of keeping up with the pace of this mass production. And that's exactly what Elon Musk is building. A global manufacturing network with Gigafactories strategically positioned on different continents. It's not just about producing more. It's about producing anywhere in the world with the same quality, speed, and efficiency. Tesla now has major facilities in Texas, Mexico, Berlin, and Shanghai, and each of these factories is not just a building filled with robots. They're the beating heart of Musk's strategy. Each Gigafactory is a fortress of advanced technology, equipped with automation systems, artificial intelligence, and, of course, the mighty Gigapresses. And the plan is simple. Make them all work in sync, like a well-tuned orchestra. But how is this possible? How can a factory in China produce cars with the same precision as a factory in the United States? The secret lies in something called standardized modular manufacturing. Instead of building entirely different factories in each region, Tesla uses the same factory model in all locations. It's like copying and pasting a gigafactory. This not only speeds up construction of the facilities, but also ensures that all vehicles produced are of the same quality standard. And it doesn't stop there. Elon Musk wants these factories to be agile. Unlike traditional automakers, which take years to build a new facility, Tesla promises to have a gigafactory up and running in just 6 months. It's an impressive speed that leaves its competitors in the dust. And this speed isn't just a production advantage. It's a strategy to dominate the market in different regions, ensuring that the Model 2 is available globally at almost the same time. The Texas plant, for example, will be one of the largest in the world, with the capacity to produce millions of vehicles per year. In Mexico, a gigantic facility is being built to serve all of Latin America, with optimized logistics for exporting to other continents. Berlin will be the strategic point to dominate the European market, while Shanghai will continue to be the production center for the Asian market. A perfectly connected global network. But it's not just about quantity. It's also about efficiency. Each gigafactory is designed to operate almost autonomously, with artificial intelligence systems that monitor and optimize each stage of the production process. From the arrival of raw materials to the final assembly of the vehicle, everything is managed by algorithms that ensure precision and speed. It's as if each factory were a giant brain, always learning and improving. Of course, no electric car revolution would be complete without battery technology that's as impressive as the vehicle itself. And that's where the Tesla Model 2 takes another innovative leap forward. Instead of using the expensive batteries that are common in premium cars, the Model 2 will rely on a more affordable and equally efficient solution. Lithium Iron Phosphate, LFP, battery supplied by CATL, one of the world's largest battery manufacturers. But what makes these batteries so special? First, they're known for being extremely safe. Unlike other lithium-ion batteries, LFPs have a natural resistance to overheating and fire. This means the Model 2 will not only be affordable, but also one of the safest electric vehicles on the road. In a world where news of batteries catching fire can destroy a brand's reputation, Tesla is playing it safe. But it's not just about safety. LFP batteries are incredibly durable. They can be charged and discharged thousands of times without significantly losing capacity. For the Model 2, this means that even after years of use, the battery will continue to provide good battery life. And if that weren't enough, LFPs are cheaper to produce than traditional cobalt or nickel batteries. It's a technology that combines economy with performance. And the performance is anything but modest. The Model 2 equipped with these batteries will be able to offer a range of between 250 and 280 miles, depending on the model. For an entry-level vehicle, this is more than enough for most drivers, whether for daily use in the city or for weekend trips. And best of all, this range will not come with a high price tag. Thanks to the LFP batteries, the production cost is kept low, allowing Tesla to offer the Model 2 for that astonishing price of $10,050. Now, of course, many people might think that a cheaper battery means lower performance. But that's not the case. LFPs may not offer the same level of performance as the high-performance batteries used in the Model S or Model X, but they're more than enough for the Model 2. After all, this is a car designed to be affordable, efficient, and practical. And with a range of up to 280 miles, it won't disappoint. Furthermore, choosing these batteries is not just a matter of economy. It's a strategic decision. Tesla knows that for the Model 2 to become the most popular electric car in the world, it needs to be reliable and easy to maintain. And that's exactly what LFP batteries offer. Without the need for expensive materials and with a long lifespan, they are perfect for a car designed to be sold en masse. And Tesla isn't just buying these batteries. It's working closely with CATL to ensure that they're optimized specifically for the Model 2. That means that, in addition to being safe and durable, they'll also be extremely efficient when it comes to charging. According to Tesla, the Model 2 will be able to charge from 0 to 80% in just 10 minutes using the most advanced chargers. That's a speed that puts the Model 2 ahead of many competitors. But Tesla's true genius isn't just its affordable batteries or its impressive Gigapress. The secret behind the Tesla Model 2's incredible price point lies in something much more strategic: advanced control of its supply chain. Rather than rely on outside suppliers and deal with price fluctuations, Tesla decided to take control. And when Elon Musk sets his mind to control something, he doesn't do it half-heartedly. Tesla has secured long-term deals with suppliers of key materials, particularly the minerals needed for batteries, such as lithium and iron. But these are no ordinary deals. Tesla has secured prices 40% below market value, protecting itself against global price swings that could affect other automakers. In a world where raw material prices can change from week to week, such stability is a strategic advantage few can match. And it's not just about the price. Tesla has a unique approach called vertical integration, which means it controls almost every step of the manufacturing process for its vehicles. From mining the minerals to the final assembly of the cars, the company is involved in every detail. To give you an idea, while other automakers depend on external suppliers for up to 60% of their parts, Tesla has 92% vertical integration. That's pretty much total control. And this control goes beyond the production of parts. It also includes logistics. Tesla uses artificial intelligence systems to monitor and optimize its inventory in real time. Instead of maintaining large warehouses full of parts that may become outdated, Tesla operates with a just-in-time delivery system, where components arrive exactly when they are needed. This not only reduces costs, but also increases efficiency. Less waste, more speed. But what makes this strategy even more impressive is that it's not just efficient, it's smart. Tesla uses artificial intelligence to predict demand for parts and optimize its inventories. Instead of waiting for problems to appear, the company is able to anticipate and resolve them before they affect production. It's as if each factory was a living organism, always learning and adapting. And this also applies to distribution. Instead of relying on traditional dealerships, which often add fees and complicate the purchasing process, Tesla sells its cars directly to consumers. You buy a Model 2 directly from Tesla, without intermediaries, without unpleasant surprises, and, most importantly, without additional hidden costs. The price you see is the price you pay. This direct approach not only saves consumers money, but also gives Tesla complete control over the purchasing experience. There are no salespeople trying to push unwanted accessories, no mysterious fees appearing at checkout. You choose the model, place the order, and receive the car. Just like that. And this simplicity is one of the biggest secrets to Tesla's success. But what will really turn the Tesla Model 2 into a global phenomenon is not just its price or its mass production. It's your ultra-affordable property. In other words, the Model 2 won't just be a cheap car to buy. It will be incredibly cheap to maintain and use. And this is where Tesla once again changes the rules of the game. Because for many, the true cost of a car is not just the initial value, but the expenses that come afterwards: maintenance, fuel, insurance, and taxes. And that's exactly where the Model 2 shines. First, it will be sold directly to consumers without the need to go through dealerships. No pushy salespeople, no hidden fees, no surprises at the time of signing. The price you see is the price you pay, and that is already a considerable saving. Instead of paying thousands of dollars more in dealer fees, the Model 2 buyer will pay exactly what was promised. But it doesn't stop there. Thanks to its electric nature, the Model 2 virtually eliminates many of the maintenance costs you'd encounter with a combustion-powered car. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no complex exhaust systems that can fail. Even the brakes last longer, thanks to a regenerative braking system that uses the car's own electric motor to slow down. Fewer moving parts means less chance of something going wrong. What about the charging cost? This is another point where the Model 2 will shine. With access to a global network of Tesla superchargers and the option to charge at home, the cost per mile is dramatically lower than gasoline. In many places, the cost of electricity is a fraction of the price of gas, which means that over time the Model 2 will literally pay for itself. Imagine this, driving hundreds of kilometers for the cost of a simple coffee. But Tesla's real masterstroke lies in the incentives and rebates. Depending on the region, Model 2 buyers may be eligible for a range of benefits that further reduce the price of the vehicle. In the United States, for example, there is a $7,500 federal tax credit for electric vehicles. And that's just the beginning. Many states offer additional incentives, which can go up to $4,500. In some regions, even energy companies offer rebates for those who adopt electric vehicles. And it doesn't end there. In cities like New York and Los Angeles, where incentives are even more generous, the Model 2's final price could drop below $7,000. Yes, you heard right. A Tesla electric car, with advanced technology and low maintenance costs, costing less than many used gasoline cars. And that's the real magic of the Model 2. It's not just affordable, it's a smart investment. And for those worried about financing, Tesla has a solution for that too. Thanks to its direct sales model, the company can offer simplified financing options with competitive interest rates. Buyers will be able to choose between 36 or 60-month financing plans, with interest rates that are better than what most banks offer. And for those who choose to pay in cash, there will be an additional discount, making the Model 2 even more attractive.